Would you like some great healthy eating recipes that are very tasty too? Remember that everything that goes into your mouth, food and drink, affects your gut health as well as your brain health, mood, memory, emotions. It all matters. That's why healthy food alternatives and food-grade essential oils can be a game changer for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful after Thanksgiving dinner salad. Yes, it's awesome for making after Thanksgiving because it has all those wonderful foods and it's so tasty. This is going to make your life easier as you learn how to use all of those leftovers and make it really tasty. Make sure that when you're finished watching the video, you download my free Say Goodbye to Brain Fog swap list. It's free, it's in the comments below, and make sure and like and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. In our salad bowl, we are just going to fill it with some chopped or torn romaine. Add cooked cubed turkey, then cooked cubed sweet potato that's been seasoned. Then we're going to add fresh diced avocado and sprinkle with dried cranberries or craisins. Then a handful of broken pecans. Then cover and refrigerate. Then let's make our dressing. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then about a half a teaspoon of salt, 10 drops of lime essential oil or lemon, 2 drops of black pepper essential oil, and 2 drops of coriander essential oil. This is a great dressing that you can just stir together and put over the entire salad, and you don't have to deal with dressings. And you can refrigerate that also until you're ready to serve. So when ready, pour over your dressing. And then I don't like to completely toss it. I just like to lift it slightly because I don't want all the toppings to go to the bottom of the bowl. That's all you have to do. And it's great and ready to go. Healthy is simple. I know you have questions, so add them to the comments below. Then like and subscribe. And be sure to download my free guide, Say Goodbye to Brain Fog swap list below. This is an excellent place to start, so do it now. And thanks for watching.